I am tearing down the 8mm camera. This is the lens assembly. The zoom function is driven by a ring gear along the bottom here. That was driven by this motor assembly. I have tested it, it does work. When you turn it, you should be able to see the inner part here go in. And it does. Now I'll turn it clockwise and you should see it come back out. And that's how it works. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming some kind of exposure control. The light shines through this small lens up here. And goes through this prism and down this lens and into here. I don't know what it does.